Kamala Harris is such a disaster as vice president that, according to The Guardian, there is talk inside of the Biden White House about replacing her as vice president and making her the Supreme Court justice instead. Now, presumably this would be Justice Breyer stepping down. Remember, Joe Biden has already promised to put a black woman on the Supreme Court. And if they were going to make this switch, they would need to do it before the midterms, because the likelihood is that the Democrats will lose their 50-50 breakdown in the Senate and would be in a position where they're not able to get anyone confirmed to the Supreme Court until after the 2024 elections, because they wouldn't control the Senate, and they also would not control the presidency at the same time. So they would need to do this between now and November of next year. Argument is that Biden wants a new vice president. Now, I continue to believe it is unlikely that Joe Biden is going to run for re-election. He's going to need to make a decision within the next year and a half, probably by May or June of 19, because the primaries start in January of 24. So what is Joe Biden going to end up doing? And is there any legitimacy to Kamala Harris going to the Supreme Court? Does she want it? I question whether she wants it or not. I can see why it would make sense for the Biden White House to push her off to the side and find a new vice president, because she's wildly unpopular. But I don't know who they could replace her with. Maybe Stacey Abrams, without being called racist and sexist. And I just don't see Joe Biden as running in 2024. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe he's going to run. I think it's highly unlikely, in my humble opinion.